today's experiment, we're going to explore air pressure inside the body with our lungs and our diaphragm. So let's check it out. The materials we need are going to be 2 straws, 2 balloons, an extra large balloon, some clay, scissors, and some tape. And don't forget a big cup like this. We're going to take the large balloon and we're going to cut off the tip. We're going to stretch out the bottom so it goes over a cup like this. This is our diaphragm. It becomes smaller and bigger. If I pull down, it becomes smaller. If I release, it becomes bigger. Just like our diaphragm. Inside, you can see we have 2 lungs. You will attach a small balloon to your straw, like this. This will act as your lung. To make sure it's airtight, let's use some tape to make sure no air can escape. We will make a hole at the bottom of the cup and put our lungs inside, like this. Use clay to make sure no air can escape. At the end, you're going to make a body and you will put it on the front of your cup. This will affect the 2 balloons that are inside that represent your lungs. As I change the air pressure inside the cup, the air pressure inside the balloons also changes. Great job today, guys, and see you next time. Have a good day. Goodbye.